And I found when I unscrew them, not very tight. When I use the spanner, not much resistance. When I remove them, it seems loose. And also you can see there's a stain of oil, particularly this one. It's all get brown yellowish. I do have a cold idle problem. I try to find air leaks, nowhere I can find them. And this possibly some air leak, particularly from this plug, that plug, these two plug. And this time when I install the new plug, I just torque them to 28 Newton meter. If you see here, we have the instruction here. So torque them finger tight 90 degree, or torque them to 28 Newton meter. So this is possibly a source of air leak.